Folks, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about chainsaws, and particularly some of the contents that I carry along with my chainsaw. Alright folks, so if you've been a homeowner long enough, eventually you'll probably end up with a chainsaw, and for, with trimming some trees or trying to just clear out storm damage or whatnot. Nothing major, not logging for a living or any of that sort, but just general maintenance around the house. But having the chainsaw by itself is not enough. Sometimes you got to carry a couple extra things, and we're going to go over that list. Okay folks, so here are some of the safety items that I always make sure I have with me whenever I'm using my chainsaw. First off is a first aid kit. I think that is a absolute must because you just never know. Then second thing, I have my helmet with a shield, air protection, okay, because that chainsaw is pretty loud and kicks up all sorts of sawdust and whatnot. Next, leg protection. Get you a pair of UL listed chaps. I mean, sure, they might not be 100% guaranteed to stop the chainsaw, but it would definitely slow it down. Then also, you gotta have additional eye protection, safety glasses. That's another plus. Also gloves. Get you a good pair of gloves to go along with it. Alright, here are some of the tools that I carry on me whenever I'm using my chainsaw. I use a Scrench, make sure I can, if I need to adjust the tension on the chain or if I need to tighten up the bar or whatnot. I also have a folding knife in case I need that. A couple wedges is another thing I also carry with me. Alright folks, so a couple things that I carry along with me in case I need to sharpen the chain on the chainsaw. I got a couple sharpening kits, got a few extra chainsaw files. Make sure you get the correct size for your particular chain because each chain is a different size. They have a different size file for that. Okay folks, a couple other items that I carry along with me. I have an extra flathead screwdriver. I have a Torx T25, which majority of the screws on these Echoes are Torx head. Also carry a putty knife to clean out the track in the bar if it gets all gummed up. And then I also have a couple extra brushes to scrape off stuff if I need be. Okay folks, continuing on with the extra things that I carry in my toolbox for the chainsaw. Carry a bottle of bar and chain oil. Also carry an extra bar in case the one that's on the chainsaw gets bent or whatnot. Extra parts bin, nuts for the bar cover, cap. Of course, I carry extra chain just in case you ever need it. Alright folks, so everything fits nicely in these two Bauer modular toolboxes that I picked up from my local Harbor Freight. So there you have it. So if you like this video and you think it was helpful, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks again for watching.